Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. If you look at the price of natural gas, what we have seen, it is currently trading at around 6.09. Okay, and one important thing that you have to see is that there is a swing we have seen. Okay, and it has already made a low of $5.3, and keep this in mind that $5.3 is a weak support. Okay, it has already made a swing here, and this is a weak support, we can say, coming at around $5.3. Okay, and if you look at this chart, it has, after touching that particular support, we have seen it made a high of around $6.7. Okay, suppose if this particular level sustain, what we can see. Before we move forward, if you have any doubt regarding natural gas or any other commodities, mail us at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical works in it. Okay, and you can join my Telegram link also I have given in the description. See, suppose if this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $6.448. Okay, and if that level goes upside, then we can see it can go move further high towards a level of 6.618, and this 6.618 is already been a weakened resistance, so probability is very high. We can see it can move further upside towards a level of 6.690. okay, and once the price goes above that level, then we can see it can go to a level of $6.880. Suppose if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $7, and once the price goes above $7, then we can see it will move upside from this particular zone, and a probability of touching $7.5 is very high, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $7.7. Suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $8 also. Okay, but as you know that the market is uncertain, you cannot depend on that, on particular chart, think that it will move in one direction like this. If it has to move upside, it will hold for some time, then it will move upside, then again it will hold for some time, then move upside. In the same way, if it has to come down, it will come like this. It will not come directly like this on the straight path. Okay, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, then we can see it can move to a level of 5.940. This level didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.940, and if that also didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down to a level of 5.819. okay, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $5.6, and if that goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 5.445. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $5.3. okay, once this $5.3 sustain, and this level is already being a weakened support, so probability we can see it can move further down towards a level of $4.9. okay, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of $4.462, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 4.12. okay, suppose the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $3.9. okay, and then you can see it can move further down if the price goes below 3.9. okay, now we can see it will not give so much of movement in the last 2 days or in the next 2 days also. So but you have to understand something, what I teach in my workshop, I give you a glimpse of it. Suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. okay, that comes to 1000 to 1500. risk 0.5 to 1% of this particular amount, that comes to $50 to $100. okay, now if suppose if you took 5 trades, your risk is $500. okay, now if you lose even $500, 5 trades, all 5 trades, you will not be in a burden to recover this amount in the next day. Rather, you will focus more on profit. okay, what people do is they lose so much in this particular day, in particular trade, then what they try to do is they try to recover the next day. okay, and this next day they lose the full amount. This is what they do. What I teach, that how to overcome all these barriers, when to enter, when to exit, how to strategize, how to hedge, all these things I teach in my workshop. So if you want to, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.